Alright, y'all. Welcome back to Po Boy Fishing the 225. This is another after school fishing session. Just had some thunderstorms come through. Might have mudded it up a little bit, but I doubt it. It didn't rain that long, so we're gonna see what we can pull out. Hopefully we can do good. And y'all know what I'm starting off with. Leading off with the today leading off with the chatterbait. I'm gonna lead off with a chatterbait, then probably go to the swim jig after that. And just let the fish tell me what they want. See y'all. Ooh, they got water rushing out of this right here. One thing about, bro, you love running water. You see running water in the springtime, you gotta fish it. You gotta fish it a little bit. I'm gonna fish it with this jackhammer right quick to see what goes on with it. One just came up hit it. I was in no kind of he mouthed it, he didn't really hit it. It's kind of small though. When you're fishing running water, wait on the little, always fish the little pockets outside the thing. The fish don't want it. Okay. Oh, he hit it again. Small though, he ain't that big. Always fish the little pockets off of it. Got him that time. Oh, he feeding, yo. Kind of fat too. I think he got the hook that time. He ain't gonna hit no more. What I'm doing right now, I'm not really reeling it, I'm just stroking it. Alright, if it's running that good right here, I know the other train should be running too. Yeah, he ain't gonna hit no more. Big part of bass fishing too is knowing when to leave something alone. See, I made a couple of casts there and then said, you know what, it ain't worth it. I had to come back. I'm gonna come back over there with the speed 'em up one. Because I know the speed run could come through that grass a little better. See that? Either that or I'll come back with the fluke of the fluke. You'll probably either don't come with the speed around that car so strong it's just gonna carry the fluke. Alright y'all, camera had turned off on me when I cooked this one. Go for about 2 pounds. Get a good release on her. She hit that chatterbait up top water too. She knocked the mess out of that top water. I don't know who this is over there. This song gonna have to just sit over there by that running water. I only think they got 1 or 2 fish sitting over there on that running water. Made the block hot. We might have to make arrangements for me a new afternoon spot. This spot is starting to get a little pressured. Boy, it's nothing like that feeling, man. It's like, I don't know, it's like when you fishing and you set that hook on that fish, it's like it's almost spiritual or something, you know? You set that hook on that fish and you feel that light and tightening up and you fighting that fish in. It's almost spiritual, man. That feeling, you know. Only somebody that fishes can tell you. Don't nothing else matter no more. Don't nothing else matter. It's addictive. That feeling is addictive. Got his leg. Oh no. His little ass came up. It was two of them right there, though. I don't know if y'all saw that. One spooked off and one hit. Oh, he got it. Oh, he got it. I saw him swirl up and get it. When all else fails, throw a soft jerk bait. When all else fails. Telling you, you're in grass, you're fishing a grassy pond, and all else fails, throw a soft plastic jerk bait. He gonna get bit. I don't know what it is. Oh, he got it. Oh my God. The hook ain't never come out, man. Hook never popped out on his ass. He can't even hit that big top water. He might do it again. Oh, he got it. Yeah, he got it. Get out that grass. Got him out of there. She is fat. Cool. She is fat, yo. Check out. I saw a swirl on him. Got any pounds? I give her 2 or 3. 275. $275. Whoa, she a nice one, yo. Alright, she bleeding a little bit. Must have hit a vein in her jaw. Throw it back. Good eat. That's another thing. See how she buried me in that grass? Whatever you do, don't give up no slack when they do that. Just keep reeling through. Keep reeling. Don't give them no slack, because they're that way there. If you do that, they'll shake it. They'll shake that hook loose. Must be getting better with the fluke, because I used to only catch dinks on the fluke, yo. Yeah, you hook one on that. If you hook one, they bury you in the grass. Don't cut them no slack. Just keep pressure on them. I saw a little wake on it. I saw her wake on it. And I reeled down. That was a real healthy fish too. I gotta change this line. It's getting beat up. Yeah, she swirled on good, boy. Got some pretty decent fish. Ooh, she got it. Yeah, you got it. Man, he was badly hooked, yo. Badly hooked. Man, he wasn't even skin hooked. He was just pressure hooked. Throw this. Get all this. I throw this old worm in the worm. Oh, he got it. Man, you better not get me hooked. All right. Nothing. Another 2, so that's for about 8 pounds. No, let me retire. Let's see. Not look good. No, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Well, it's a different type of leader I'm using there today. used to use Sunline Leader. And that turned out not to do the trick. I kept breaking off, man, on my hook segments. So now I'm using not Teflon, Beyond, the Beyond. He burnt that spot over there. Nobody gonna catch it. Ain't no bags gonna be sitting over there. He pulling all them brim out. He got it. Yeah, he got it. You're leading. All right, y'all. That's it for today. See the nighttime in the comments. So we did pretty good today. Caught most of them on those what they call it, Super Stud by Gambler. Caught most of them on that. It's a soft plastic jerk bait. And didn't do too good with the speed worm. It ain't catch me nothing. But if you like the content, like what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put out as many videos as I can in a week. But like and subscribe. Thank y'all.